What's going on, guys? My name is David Tomic and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing this bad boy here, the Mac Mini M1. Don't worry, there's nothing inside it. I've already unboxed it. It's all set up, ready to go, but let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so not only was I fortunate enough to open one Mac Mini, but we actually bought two Mac Mini M1s for the office, which means I got to unbox them both. But for today, we're only just gonna unbox the one. Unfortunately, there isn't any nice tab pulls for the plastic here on the M1, which is a bit odd for Apple products. Usually they're quite easy to take off. The premium cardboard box is a little bit tricky to slide off as always, and you wanna do it on a table because it'll just fall off and crash like we saw that iPhone guy drop his brand new iPhone on the first day. The Mac Mini comes wrapped in plastic as always, the little nice pull tabs. Oh, that sound, so nice. It comes off very clean, very quick, and feels very, very premium. Overall, very sturdy build, a little bit of black tape here over the back. I'm guessing it's hiding all the ports. It's a little bit harder to peel off, even though I have some nails at the moment, but there we go, we're managing to get most of this black plastic off and exposing these ports. We have the power port, Ethernet, two USB-Cs, HDMI, two USB-As, a headphone jack, and of course the fan outlet. I'll do some B-roll over the top of this so you can see that port layout a little bit better. Included in the box, we also have some stickers, of course, and the manual. Just one giant sticker from Apple now, the Mac Mini little setup instruction guide, which I don't think many of us need. It's all pretty self-explanatory. If you're buying a Mac Mini, you probably know what you're doing. And also just one power cable. That seems to be everything in the box. The power cable is extremely fiddly and extremely hard to get out, but that's okay. It comes wrapped pretty well. And eventually I will get this and unwrap this whole bloody thing. So the power cable, as always, is about, well, I'd say about 2 meters long. It comes with a standard Australian adapter and the plug. So overall, pretty decent sized cable. You don't usually need to run them too far, so pretty good. Nothing else in the box. That seems to be it for the unboxing today, guys. That's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If there's anything you'd like to know about the Mac M1 Mini that is related to architecture or anything of the product itself, please let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see more content of this sort, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, I will see you very shortly.